Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite brewing methods of brewing some coffee. We're talking about the French press. That's coming up next. Welcome to the Daily Brew. I'm your host, LV, and today we're going to talk about the French press, the coffee press, the press pot, and the coffee plunger. All right, before we even get into actually how to do it, let me tell you what you need first. So let's start right here. You need to have your coffee grounds coarse. So you want to make sure it's coarse so when you actually go through pressing down and separating, that you can separate the grounds from the water. You actually need to get a French press container here, which you can get at in your local stores and at one of your local coffee shops. And we got some preheated water right here, around 200 to 205 Fahrenheit. So that's there. And we also have a timer here on the cell phone. You're definitely gonna need this if you want it to taste good. So all you coffee enthusiasts, you're gonna need a timer, all right? So let's get straight into it. Y'all ready? Let's go. So first, let's take this off. And you need to make sure you preheat your container. You wanna make sure you preheat your container just so you get that good taste here. So let's head over and do that. But you want to make sure you preheat your container. We already did that here and we've dried it out. So right now we're going to place our coarse coffee grounds into our French press. So nice and neat. Got it here. So let's head over and get some water here. But remember, you want to have your temperature around 202 to 205. You don't want to go anything higher than that. 212, somebody told me, it's going to scorch these and it's going to give you a very bitter ashtray taste, okay? So because we're inside a fireside, we can use their actual water because they have it already preheated here just to speed things up. So let's get into it. All right, so as you see here, you have your grounds and your water like going out on the first date. They like enjoying each other right now. They talking to each other and they're actually coming together and extracting some good flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this here. So now that we got our water and our grounds together, let's start our timer. We're gonna let it sit here for about 4 minutes. So with that being said, I want to make sure you guys know that you can go over to our Facebook page, facebook.com/thedailybrewcoffee, to get you a bag of our inaugural roast. That's the Granny Roast. It's available for you right now for $19.99 plus shipping and handling. You can get that again at our Facebook page, facebook.com/thedailybrewcoffee. And I have all that information down in the description below. And if you want one of these shirts, we got that over there too. So we're gonna wait a little bit, about 3 more minutes, and we'll see what the results will be. You wanna go ahead and give a good press. All right, so that separated our grounds right there. And let's go ahead and get a cup here and try it out. There you have it, cup of coffee from a French press. Let's try it out. Warm, hot, good, robust. That's some good stuff right there. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen, real quick, simple way of how to do a French press right here. All the information, all the details you need. Now, if you need to go through the steps again, make sure you rewind this video, share it, and let's keep it going. Now, if you like what we're doing here on this channel, here on the Daily Brew, make sure you click subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Until then, till our next video, appreciate you tuning in. I'm your host, LV, and this is the Daily Brew. Have a great day.